everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about some of the great things that I have started growing and some of the great things that you guys can go ahead and start growing out there in your garden. Now, it is still raining, you guys. You probably can't even tell, but it is raining right now. Okay, it's not pouring, but it is still raining. We have been getting a ton of rain. My yard is completely saturated. I promise you. Actually already you see this water is filled up in my container. I need to go ahead and pour that one off. The other rows actually already pretty much started to basically mold, rot into the pot, and it just wasn't draining quick enough. It settled down in there. I done had these roses in these containers for about 10 years, but it is what it is. We have been having consistent raining here on the East Coast. All right, but I do want to come on here and talk to you guys about all these wonderful plants that we can go ahead and start planting. And I'm going to show you guys some of the things, like I said, that I have started planting. Now, I have planted just a tad bit different this year, you guys, than I normally plant. I've started planting just a tad bit different than I normally plant, you guys. As you guys can see here, it's this containers here back here. Now, in these containers, I have already planted up the Flat Dutch, the Red Acre, some magic broccoli, some purple kohlrabi, some green kohlrabi, and then as well I planted up some lettuce and some Savoy cabbages that is planted up into this cart. Now, this grow bag right here, I am going to go ahead and plant with a new crop. You guys, I'm really super excited about this crop. Now, I did order some beautiful seeds from Baker's Creek. I appreciate Baker's Creek packaging. How stinking cute is this? All right, now Baker's Creek, make you don't want to throw your envelope away. All right, so this is actually what is in this pack. Okay, I actually went ahead and ordered, it is called the Sapporo. I hope I'm saying that right, but I think I'm saying it right. This is a Sapporo Giant cabbage that I had purchased. Now, this cabbage is supposed to get up to 44 pounds. This is a super-sized cabbage, and I know exactly where I'm going to plant them. I'm going to plant them in my 30-gallon grow bags out there in the sand pit this year. I think that would be really, really cool to have these massive sized cabbages out there in the sand pit. All right, so I'm definitely gonna be planting them inside the grow bags. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. So here is that cabbage here. It's a Sapporo Giant number 4. I'm really, really excited about planting that up. 44-pound cabbage. That's like 4 heads of cabbage in one cabbage. Win-win, right? So I will be, what I'm going to do, as a matter of fact, since I am filming this today, I am going to show you exactly how I'm going to plant them up. So let's do that real fast. You guys, I got my babies out here getting some of this extra rain here since I haven't really been coming out here. All right, so here is this grow bag right here. Here we go. This is actually a potting soil here, which I was so shocked that this potting soil has some of all these big pieces in it, but this is an organic brand potting soil, and that's what I use inside of these containers. All right, so let's go ahead and grab the giant cabbage right here. And what I've been doing is simply, you guys, just taking a little bit of seeds. I'm not gonna take too many because that is a good bit, okay? And I'm just going to broadcast it right over this soil, and then I will come back, you guys, and prick them out. So what I'm gonna do is just basically take a little bit of the same soil, and I'm just going to cover them just a little bit, just like that, and we're all done with those cabbages. I'll come back and label it because I didn't have a label on me at this point, but that is okay. I'll come back and I'm going to go ahead and label it. All right, so let's go ahead on to the garden, because I did went ahead and planted up more things out in the garden. So the first thing I planted up is, here is some leeks. This is the American leek, flag leek, that hasn't came up yet. Some more flat Dutch, you can see them coming up right here. So basically what I did was did a trenching method and just kind of just broadcast it throughout the trench, and then I'm going to come back, you guys, and prick them out and put them individual seed cell trays. Okay, so that gives me an opportunity to go ahead and get some of these things already started, because right now I don't feel like I have the time to just do what I normally do, is like pop them into individual seed cell trays. So I wanted to go ahead and get them started now, and then I can go ahead and up pot them. And the next thing is too, is being the fact that it is raining, it helps out a lot, because with seed starting, you don't want your seeds to dry out. And we were going through this whole big drought for a whole month, and now we just raining and raining and raining. So this is a benefit in a way, because even though I started my seeds the way I have started them, I don't have to worry about watering them drying out. Now I might have to worry about them drowning, but not so much with them being inside of a raised bed. Okay, they're not going to drown like my corn. Those were in ground, and you saw what happened with that. That kind of puddled in, and they pretty much rotted my seeds. But they being the fact that these are in raised beds, it helps out a ton when it comes down to seed starting. The next thing that I did start, you guys, is the Romanesco right here, and that started to come up as well right here. And then this one is the Red Rock Mammoth. I absolutely love that cabbage, you guys. It's a dark purple, solid cabbage. It is delicious. I absolutely love it. Love it. Try it out. It is the Red Rock Mammoth cabbage, okay? And then next thing I planted up on this side, so we walked over from here, come over here, and I planted up here is some more red acre. And then this one was the Radicchio, the Calabus. They starting to come up a little here or there. This one right here is the Dinosaur Kale. And then the purple broccoli. So we do got some purple broccoli already starting to come up, you guys, in these raised beds. So I'm really happy about that, you guys. As you guys can see, it is starting to rain. But little rain is not going to kill us, okay? It's just going to get down on me. All right. And then last but not least, okay, is in the main garden is these containers right here. Now these containers right here, I planted up some, I'm seeing some of the Utah celery coming up. I planted up triple curly leaf parsley. This right here is the purple Sicily cauliflower and the cheddar cauliflower that a subscriber sent me, and you guys, only one of them came up. I'm so like, no, I really was hoping that I would have got more of them coming up, but we'll see within the next 3 to 5 days if that's gonna give me a little bit more of the cheddar cauliflower. Okay. And then I planted up the Long Island Brussels sprout. What else? Oh, this was the Red Bull Brussels sprout. Look at all my cauliflower. Cauliflower has came up. Pink celery has not came up yet. Hopefully soon. And then I popped in some onion seeds in here. So, you guys, it is starting to get down. Starting to get down out here. Yes. So I'm actually gonna want to push my cart in. Okay, so it started to pour down outside, and I said, well, let me go ahead on and come on and finish up this last bit of content for you guys. And I wanted to tell you guys I planted up a ton of bunching onions as well, and they all have came up amazing. But you guys, it started to pour down, so I had to come on in. And this is pretty much like a vlog type of video where I'm just showing you guys and catching you guys up on what I'm planting and what you guys can plant as well. And then I purchased this right here. It's called a Winter Choy Chinese yellow heart. It's beautiful, right? I can't wait to make dumplings, you guys. I love to use like Napa cabbage and choys to make dumplings. So that's what I'm going to be planting up to. I did tell you guys out there that I did plant up the cauliflower, and that was the purple Sicily. Run out of the cauliflower and went ahead and purchased a pack from Baker's Creek. It's actually the Rare Seed Company, and I really like their packaging. It's very, very beautiful. Now I do have my own little seed shop, you guys, but it's nowhere near as lavish as this, but I do have some things. And this purple Sicily is one of the things that I was happy to get my hands back on. And like I told you guys, I did get this beautiful cabbage here, and I cannot wait to see if I can actually get it to full size. I'm super, super excited. Now it does say it takes an ideal temperature is 50 to 75. The seed depth is just 1/4 of an inch, and that's pretty much with all brassicas when it comes down to planting them out. Is 1/4 of an inch, and I basically use a pencil to do so. I will be showing you guys me pricking them out, and I basically just showed you guys how to broadcast, just broadcasting and covering in them very, very lightly and not deeply, because what will happen is they can rot very easily because they are small seeds. They're not teeny tiny, but they're small enough that they could rot pretty easily. All right, and then they gave me this beautiful free pack of pepper seeds here. I really like the fact that they do give you a little taste of something else that you might not have. Estuda pepper, estuda. I'm assuming that's how you would say that, okay? So don't quote me too bad on it, but I think that's what it's called. And that is it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I have planted, some of the things that you guys can go ahead and get planted out there in your gardens, and a quick and easy way to do so. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. Happy gardening. Stay dry.